Hey guys, now let's talk about history. So each session stores all the commands you've inputted, and this is very similar to how your browser stores pages you visited. To see the contents of your history list, we just type history. Now we want to scroll through this, so let's pipeline history to less, and then we can scroll down. Remember, we can use pipelining to filter out certain commands. So let's say I want to only look at the commands with ls, so I can type history, and then I can use grep to search, and then ls. So now that displays all the commands I use with ls. Now if we want to repeat any command, all we have to do is press exclamation mark and then the number that is associated with that command. So if I want to do the 597th command, I can just type that and it'll run it. Now we can also search through history of commands with Control R, so that'll activate search, and then we can do, let's say I want to search for when I made the file hello world, right? So this will actually apply this command, but if I wanted to just copy it, I can press Control J. Now that's copied onto my command line. So instead of doing that, I can now edit this and press that and create a file called helloworld.txt. Press Control D. And lastly, we can use the up arrow key or Control P to move up the history list. Similarly, we can press Control N to move down the history list. Oh, and one more thing, we can use exclamation mark twice to repeat the last command, exclamation mark number to repeat the last history list number. As we did above, the exclamation string repeats the last history item starting with the string, and then exclamation mark question mark repeats the last history item containing the string. Alright, well that about covers this tutorial series. I hope you learned a lot, and if you have any questions or comments, just comment below. Thanks guys!